Hi everyone, welcome SAS program 20 days. Today is day 23. So we continue with the SAS via session. So today we are doing in the last session we have done the how to manage the models. Now we are back to the how to build the models in we are doing the text analysis. So how we are doing the text analytics in SAS Visual Analytics. So SAS Visual Text Analytics combine the power of natural language processing, machine learning and linguistic rules to real insights in the data. Text mining is a process for exploring and analyzing the large amount of unstructured text data added by the software that can be identify the concepts, patterns, topics, keywords, and the other attributes in the data. So text analysis in the text analytics we have can be classified into two types of projects on data used, the goals of analysis and exploration and the predictions. So we have two main for text analysis is classified into two types. So first is exploration and another is prediction. So what is exploration? Exploration is the analogous and the unsupervised learning in the traditional machine learning. So in that there is no target, no or goal or to predict in the analysis. So this is unsupervised learning. Extract and summarize. So we are doing the extract and summarize. Text summaries, clusters, graphics, and that describe the originals data. Okay, next is predictions. So we have some data. Okay, so we have some label data. Label data is available in the supervised learning, and unsupervised learning is unlabeled data. Okay, so we need to identify our data. Okay, so in the predictions, the text project involves the use of text data as the input for predictive modeling and using the traditional machine learning. Algorithms and text must be analyzed using the advanced natural language processing NLP to create numeric representation that can be fed into predictive models. This is a supervised learning. Okay, so one example for the predictive modeling is text is the use of insurance adjust the nodes to model fraud. So let's suppose we are identifying the fraud with the help of these predictions. The account information can be combined in the adjusters and notes to predict the fraudulent claims. Ideally, addition of the text information adjust the notes improve the model performance and allowing the more fraud to be detected. Okay, so let's suppose this is the example for the text analysis. Okay, so we have some text here. Let's suppose we are finding the good, great, food, place. Okay, so what is the frequency of that particular characters, alphabets are coming or sorry, word are coming in my data. Okay, so we are analyzing that with the text analysis. Okay, so let's see the text analysis. So SAS Visual Analytics, Text Analytics Analysis. This is the pipeline of the text analysis. So let's see how we are creating in the SAS via. Okay, so this is my SAS via. So I'm building a model. So how to create the data mine sorry text analytics module. Okay, so I'm taking one new project. I'm creating one new project. So I'm giving this name as the text analysis. Okay, so I given the text analysis and type I selected the text analytics. Okay, and the we have one template available here. Okay, so I select by default they selected this one. Okay, so we have multiple four templates are here. First is text analytics associated concept rule creation. Then we have data access, generate concept topics categories. Okay, so I'm selecting this template. Okay, now data. So in this SAS data we have one big bank CFPB data. Okay, I'm I'm taking this connection, I'm taking this data. Okay, so and save. Okay, if you want to add some description, so you can add. Okay, so it's taking a time for creating the project. Okay, so in the text analytics project, now text analysis project is open. Okay, now in this, when we are creating the data mining and the machine learning project, so we need to give the target one. Okay, but in the text analysis we need to give the text variable. Okay, so let's suppose complaint id. So let's see the data here. So complaint id is basically it's related to the about the complaints. Okay, so this is the complaint id, and we have some here company response summary. Okay, this is company response to customer, or this is a complaint id. So I'm creating this complaint id as the category. Okay, and I'm declaring company public response. Okay, so okay, so this is I'm selecting as the multiple variables there. So okay, 1 minute. We have company response summary. Okay, in this, so here we have multiple variable name, company public response, company response summary, company response to consumer, and company complete narrative. Okay, so I'm selecting this as a text. Okay, because here this is the text data. Okay, so complaint narrative I given here. Okay, this is my text, and the complaint id I given as the so category. So we have here the text id. Complaint id is a different one, so I'm taking as a product as a category, because we have different product, and for product I'm giving as a category. And the consumer complaint narrative, because what the computers sorry what the consumer is say about my product. Okay, so we want to see that one. Okay, so let's see the pipeline. So because I selected the template, so by default they will be create the pipeline. Okay, so here the pipeline, let's see the first the nodes here. Okay, so what is a node is basically what the step we taken on our data. Okay, what the analytics we done on our data. Okay, that is a node. In the nodes we have some data, then we have concepts, when we have text parsing. Okay, so that is a NLP. Okay, so concepts and text parsing is available in the NLP. Okay, so let's see what is a concepts, what is a nodes. In the SAS Visual Analytics, there are only few below analysis nodes to build the automate models. Okay, because they automatically build the models here. Okay, first is concepts, because whenever you are taking the any template, they automatically create the this pipeline by default. Okay, this is the automate feature of the SAS via. Okay, first the concepts. So what is a concepts is basically enable you to extract the predefined concepts or create additional custom concepts that you can discover in document or set of documents. Okay, so they will be predefined concepts are available in this one. Okay, so automatically they will be discover the document for that, and they will be created. Okay, so that is available in the concepts. Okay, then we have text parsing. Okay, so in the text parsing we have the text parsing is find all the terms that are in your document, in your documentation. Okay, so so that is your That is so text parsing is find the all the terms that you are in the document collection. Okay, whatever the document collection, they will be find the, all the terms. Okay, then we have the sentiment. Sentiment is the determine whether the document express positive, neutral, or the negative attitudes. Okay, that is a sentiment. And then we have the topics. Topics are groups of similar document in a collection into related theme. Example, motorcycle accident. Okay, so they will be topics. Let's suppose it's groups of similar documents, okay, in a collection of related themes. Okay, let's suppose motorcycle accident, computer graphics, weather patterns. Okay, so they will be grouped the similar words. Okay, then we have category. In the category is the last step of your text analysis. In the category is the label document based on their content. Example, motorcycle plus accident plus dead. Okay, this is the one of the content. You can say weather heavy plus rain. Okay, so they will be categorized automatically basis on with the these pipeline. Okay, this is based on this supervised learning or unsupervised learning, because this is the data is for the unsupervised text analysis, basically on the unsupervised learning. Okay, we are using the NLP for this. Okay, natural language processing. So NLP will be help in the concepts. Okay, that extracts, here the also definition is available, extract a specific information from text. Then we have text parsing is prepares the text from terms analysis. Okay, then we have feature extractions. In the feature extractions we have the topics. Okay, so we are assigning the document to the topics. Then we have text modeling. In the text modeling we have the categories. Okay, that will be classify document by subject. Okay, that be classified in the different subjects. Then we have the miscellaneous. In the miscellaneous we have the sentiment, and the sentiment is analyze the attitudes and the expressed in the document. Okay, so that nodes we are using whenever we are creating the pipeline in the text analysis. So let's run this pipeline, and let's see the output of this. Okay, it's take a time. Okay, now my pipeline has been completed. Okay, so here when we are doing data mining and the machine learning, that analysis for when we are building that model, so they show the output also here. Okay, so but in the text analysis, it not showing the output here, so we need to see our data. Okay, so first is the concepts. In the concepts, let's you need to right click here. Okay, then if you want to open, so we are opening these concepts. In the concepts, now you can see here this showing about what the concepts related data they have done. Okay, so it's loading. Okay, it's taking time. Okay, now you can see here this is the customer consumer complaint narrative. Okay, so consumer complained about this. I live a paycheck to paycheck. I check the bank account balance daily. If not in the day, the bank I use. Okay, so this is the complaint of the customer, so related to the bank. Okay, so complaint closed with the closed. Okay, and many complaints are available here. Okay, so this is heavy data. So this is about how we are doing the this is the concepts. Okay, then we have done the text parsing here. So let's see the result in the text parsing. Okay, so in the text parsing, now you can see here role by frequency. Okay, so this is the role by frequency. A is this is about the product. Okay, okay, so discuss the descriptive statics. Minimum is term in sentence is 1, maximum is 569 words in the sentence. Okay, terms in a sentence. Okay, terms in the document is minimum 3, and the 814 is maximum. Mean is this, and the in the document is this. Okay, So this is the very different analysis on that one. Okay. Okay, now if you want to see the sentiment, in the sentiment, let's see the results. Okay, in the result they will be show the code, what the sentiment score code is here. Okay, this is about the proper SAS code is here. Okay, so this is here, and this is the result. Okay, next we have the topics. Okay, in the topics, let's see the first I'm opening this one. In the open you can see the all the detail of that text, that analysis on the topics. Okay. Okay, now you can see here the topics, card, credit, charge, purchase. Okay, this is many times are use these words, in the document 391. Call phone number say is 388 times in my data. Check account overdraft bank fee is 366. Okay, and these kinds of symbols is 366 mortgage Citibanks. Okay, this is the topics, and this is the document in times that is available. Okay, here also you can see here the term, role, document, and the frequency. Okay, so this is my complaint. Here the sentiment also is satisfied. Okay, here this sad smiley here, and this is the detail. Okay, let's see the result of the topic. Okay, in the result they will be show. Okay, in this they will be show the frequency. Okay, and also showing the graphs. Okay, in the graphs, now let's explain. Okay, now you can see here in this the number of document per topic. Okay, so negative is negative word, neutral and the positive words. Okay, so maximum you can see, because the SAS wire is very automated, and the basis on the NLP and the artificial intelligence and the machine learning are there. So they will be automatically find the negative words, what is a negative topics are there, what is a neutral topics, and what is a positive. Okay, now you can see here they will be showing the negative is maximum here, because the red is this color is showing as a maximum, the negative, and the neutral words is the second highest, and the third is positive is very minimum in the topics. Okay, positive words minimum they are using. Okay. Okay, check, account, bank fee. Okay, this is the positive, Fago, Wells, and the negatives are here the rate, loan, interest, modification, interest rate is a negative. Okay, sentiment is showing. Sentiment is basically, let's suppose, is the sentiment is the sad, smiley, and the positive. That kind of sentiment they will be showing. Okay, so here is neutral, in no one is here, negative in we have the report, credit card, credit report debit. Okay, and here is neutral, in the neutral we have. So you can easily see the customer feedback is very negative here. Okay, in the sentiment, according to sentiment, is customer negative feedback is very negative, and the neutral is the second, and the positive is very minimum. Okay, so that is the analysis of this report. Okay, so let back to the text analysis, then let's see the category. Okay, so I think I'm not able to zoom on that particular one. Okay, so I think I'm not able to click on that. Okay, so this is about the how we are doing the text analysis in the by the building by the build model. Okay, so build a model. So we build the model and we done the text analysis on our data. Okay, so this is the first project we have done. So we are doing more projects in the upcoming session on the text analysis, because this is the very important topic, because nowadays the chatbots are many there, and also we are receiving the text data maximum in nowadays. So feedback we are receiving, and the other customer rating we are receiving, so customer feedback we are receiving, so many data is available in the text form. So how to text data will be, and we are doing the text analytics with these we using with the SAS wire. So we will see in the upcoming sessions. Thank you, guys.